push-ups. One push-up.
Are you doing push-ups?
Buddy does push-ups.
Declan.
You do push-ups, buddy?
What's Dada doing?
He does push-ups.
Dada doing push-ups?
Oh, he's so heavy. He can't do anymore. One more. Oh, and then he hops off the side. Or wait a minute. Or do we do run? Get on.
Get on, go crazy.
Hold on.
You ready? Whoa, whoa, hold on tight. Get down.
Oh, he's getting on.
Whoa, whoa. Hold on. Yes.
Yes, that's computer.
Giffin's reading a book?
With who? Giffin and Daddy?
You're gonna call her?
Don't take that too far, Dada needs that. Color. You color.